Hi, everyone. Well, as you know, I'm celebrating my 63rd birthday for a little while now. And I I couldn't remember a birthday where I really went nuts, like if I drink or if I went out and party. Well, maybe in the disco days, we went dancing and whooped it up, but we still didn't drink. I just never was a drinker. But anyways, uh in my mind, it was okay to ask my son this. I was very selfish, and when he asked me what I wanted for my birthday, I said, "How about $1 for every year that I was alive?" And he started laughing. And I know that sounded so goofy, and I could ask for $20 for every year I was alive. But so that would have been $63 for $1 a year I was alive. So I hope I didn't hex myself, but anyway, he said, "Sure, Mom." So I happily went online for 4 days and looked at laces. And you think that was overwhelming, but to me, it was a lot of fun. So I had fun doing that a lot. And I narrowed it down to what I wanted. And then all of a sudden, I thought of flowers. And then I thought of napkins I've always wanted. So, okay, this video is just what I bought with my birthday money. And I will put all the links down below in the, uh, what do you call that little box? In case you see something you'd like to order yourself, and then you have the link for them. So these napkins were all by one company. And if you hold on, don't get sick, I'm going to move the camera. Okay. Um, I've always loved this napkin. And I got two of these because I thought, I need two of them. And then I thought this was sweet. And then this one. So let's see, 5 napkins were like $7 and change. And never in my life, I'm laughing because I asked my friend Judy. Hi, Judy. I said, "How many napkins do you get?" And I said, "Like, how many are in a pack?" She started laughing, and she said, well, I'm assuming she was laughing. She said, one. You get one in a pack. So like each napkin was like 80 cents or $1 or something. I don't know. I don't remember. But like I said, I'll leave the link down below. So then yesterday, someone asked me, where did you get these flowers that are in the background? And I got these at Wild Orchard Crafts and .com. And I'll leave that link down below too. And I had ordered these a long time ago, and I just love them. So I thought, oh, I want to get some more of those. And then my son ordered the wrong size. There's 2 sizes. This is obviously the larger size. And then actually, it wasn't my son's fault. I gave him the wrong link. So I got, oops, these trellis roses. And they're very pretty and everything, but it's not the ones that I wanted. So, but I like flowers. And then I ordered 2 packs of these stamens. So that's what that little area was all about. So let's see, how can I do this? This is the lace I wanted to show you. Yeah. To me, it was a perfect birthday present. So I don't know. Kind of silly, but, or what do you call it? I feel selfish, but I got to pick out my own birthday present. So this is cool. This was just what I wanted. So this one, I had this lace before. And then you got 2 yards for $1.99. And like I said, I'll put the links down below. And then I also had this lace before. A long time ago, I would order 1 yard and I would be so happy. And And then I realized, well, I should have ordered 2 yards because I used 1 yard up so quickly and I don't have it anymore. And that was my favorite lace. And I wonder if I can find it again and blah, 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 blah. So then I would order 2 yards. And then I'm thinking, oh, three is the best. I didn't know I could be so selfish. So anyway, this one, you got 1 yard for $1.49. And I'm sure these prices can change with each individual seller. And just because I put one link for each lace doesn't mean somebody else is selling it. And these are from China or Hong Kong. And usually I would have to wait, oh gosh, sometimes 5 weeks. And I thought, oh my gosh, but it's the laces I want. And what did you get this time? It only took 12 days. So I was just like thrilled. And so this is the third lace, and I got 2 yards for $2.09. So I love those. And then I found laces. Oh my gosh. Some sellers charge just as much as the lace cost. So it was like $10 for a yard of lace. And I thought, forget it, and that was in the United States. And so that was no good. So so I like being so frugal and having such a good deal with this from inexpensive from China, and they smell so good too. They smell nice and fresh. Okay, this I got 3 yards for $3.49. So that was a good deal. Let's see. Okay, this is lace I never had before. And this was 1 yard for 99 cents. I like it this way, but they have it pictured this way in their eBay, or yeah, eBay, no, yeah, eBay, eBay ad. I like that a lot. And let's see, this was 1 yard for $1.69. So then I got two or 3 yards. I think it's only 2 there. But I just never had this before, and I love it. Oh, I just love it. And there, it's well made. Each little pearl is definitely on there. So, and right now I'm just keeping them in a box, looking at them, because I just don't want to use anything yet. Let's see. This was $1.39 and per yard, and I think I got 2 yards. And I thought it should look like that, but they had it like this in the advertisement. But that's so pretty. And this next one, oh my gosh, $1.99 per yard. But I never had it before, and I've seen other ladies have it, and it's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous dangle lace. If I can get it over here. Isn't that something? So yeah, so that was $1.99 a yard, but I think it's well worth it. And you know what? If we went to Joann's and we looked at the laces, it'd be more than $1.99. So anyways, this was $1.22 a yard, and it's folded right there so that you're not getting a good. Here we go. This one came all crunched, but that's okay. Let's see if I can get it better here. It's just very, very pretty, I think. And it also comes in black, and I think that's what you got to watch when you're ordering it, if what color you want it to come in. So then I'm looking here. This was 99 cents a yard. I got it written on the side here, so I'm just making sure I got the right ones. And but like I said, I'll leave all the links down below. Isn't that pretty? I think that's very pretty. And then this was $1.19 a yard. And excuse me, a lot of you ladies had this already, but I never had it. So it's just gorgeous. It's brand new to me. Oh, I'm not doing. I'm not left-handed, but if I hold my camera in my other hand, this whole thing would be more shaky than it is. There we go. Oh, I just love that. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this, but and then this. Okay, this was crazy. I I ordered 10 yards because it was $12.34. So that's only $1.20 a yard. So that was my logic, and I don't see it quite as often as I used to. So then I thought, oh, you know, what if someday I can't find it? But I had this a while ago. I think this is what I used to make my banner. But so pretty. And I think 10 yards will last me for a while. And then there was 2 yards that didn't come yet, and I'll just include them in the link below. But so yeah, that was my birthday present. And I just I think it's perfect. Okay. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon. Bye.